Hello 8th standard students, how are you all? I think so all are good and all are enjoying the mathematics videos of class 8. So in the last class we have completed exercise number 11.1. So now I am going to start with a new exercise, that is 11.2. So that is in that first question. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So see here once again the question I am reading. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So this is the figure. The two parallel sides are given 1 meter as well as 1.2 meter and the height is given as 0.8 meter. So see here all of you, given so one parallel side, first we can write the given, so that is one parallel side they are given, that is A, we can write as 1 meter, and one more parallel side, another parallel side, that is B is equals to, you are given as 1.2 meter. Okay, and you need the perpendicular distance, that is height, height is equals to, that is H, you are having as 0.8 meter. So you need to find the area of top surface of the trapezium. So you know that area of trapezium, area of top surface trapezium is equals to, you have half into altitude into sum of the parallel side, that is A plus B. So this is the formula, so that is you can write as half into H is you are having as 0.8 and A is 1 plus of 1.2, that is B. So again you can write as half into, that is into 0.8, you can write as 1 plus 1.2, you can write as 2.2. So what we can write, so that is 2 ones are 2, 1.1, that is 2 1 ones are, that is 2 11s are 22. So 11 into 0.8, so 11 8s are 88, and that means you can write 0.88 meter square. So the area of top surface, so therefore you can write, that is area of top surface is equals to, you can write as 0.88 meter square. Okay, so see here once again I am reading the just explanation. So see here, the shape of the top surface of a table of a trapezium, find its area if its parallel sides are, the parallel sides are given in the figure as 1 meter as well as 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8, that is height is given as 0.8. So see here, one parallel side they are given as 1 meter and another parallel side they are given, that is B, you can as 1.2 meter and height, that is they are given as 0.8 meter. So you already know the area of top surface of a trapezium. So already you derived the area of trapezium, you are having as half into altitude into sum of the parallel sides, that is half into H into A plus B. So half into H is 0.8, first parallel side is 1, second parallel side is 1.2, add this you will get as 2.2, cancel 2 ones are 2, 11s are 22, so 11 1.1 into 0.8 you are having as 0.88 meter square. So finally you can write as area of top surface, you can write as 0.88 meter square. So now comes to the one more question, that is exercise number 11.2, that is the second main, that is second question. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one parallel side is 10 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So see here, once again I am reading the question. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one parallel sides is 10 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So just I will write the given. So this is given. So what is given? The area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to, that is 34 centimeter square, and one parallel side they are given, one parallel side, that is A, they are given as 10 centimeter. Okay, and the height is given, height, that is h is given how much? That is 4 centimeter. You need to find one more parallel side. So another parallel side you need to find, that is B you need to find. Okay, so given question, so given area of trapezium is equals to 34 centimeter, one parallel side, that is A, is given as 10 centimeter, height is given 4 centimeter, and one more parallel side you need to find. Okay, so you know already the area of trapezium formula, that is area of trapezium is equals to, you have formula half into h into sum of the parallel side, that is A plus B. So area of trapezium you are having as 34, which is equals to half into h is your 4 and your one parallel side they are given as 10 plus of B. Okay, so this is again 2 ones are 2 2s are. So what you can write, 34 is equals to, you can write as 34 is equals to 2 into 10 plus of B. So you can write as 34 is equals to 20 plus of 2B. So means you can write 2B is equals to 34 minus of 20, that is you are having 2B is equals to 14 and B is equals to 7 centimeter. So 14 divided by 2 you get as 7 centimeters. Therefore another side is, you can write another side as 7 centimeter. Okay, so see here what I done, area of trapezium they are given 34 centimeter square, one parallel side, that is A, is given 10 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter, and another parallel side you need to find. So that is area of trapezium you already derived, that is half into h into sum of the parallel side, that is half into altitude into sum of the parallel side. So given question, area of trapezium is equals to 34, that is half, then is height is 4 and A is 10, B is not given. So 2 again 2 ones are 2 2s are. So you can write 34 is equals to 2 into bracket 10 plus B. Just multiply this into bracket, 2 into 10 20, 2 into B is 2B. So again 34 minus 20 you will get as 14, 2B as it is, B is equals to 14 divided by 2 you will get as 7 centimeter. So that is another side of the parallel side is 14 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, now comes to the exercise number 11.2, that is the fourth question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shape field is 24 and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, so see here once again I am reading the question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shape field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So see here, area of quadrilateral, you are having area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral is equals to, that is area of quadrilateral ABCD, you are having as area of triangle ABC plus of area of triangle ADC. Okay, so see here, this is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. It splits into two triangles, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. Okay, so see here, you are having area of quadrilateral, so you are having the area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but it is a parallelogram, that is area of quadrilateral is equals to, that is, you already know the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, that is half into base into h1 plus area of triangle ADC, that is half into base into h2. Okay, into h2. So what is the common? That is half into B, that is h1 plus of h2. Okay, so that is half into B. What is your B? B is your 24, and what your heights? Heights are 13 and 8, that is 13 plus of 8. Okay, so again it is 2 ones are 2 12s are, so you are having as 12 into, that is 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8 you are having as 21. So just calculate this, 21 into 12. So you are having a 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, plus 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. So that is 2, 5, 2. So we are having as 252 meters square. 252 meter square is your required answer. Okay, so see here, once again I am explaining this. Area of quadrilateral is nothing but area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram you already know, base into height, and already you know the formula of area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, I have split it into two triangles, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to, so you can write area of triangle ABC by using the area of triangle formula, half into base into, that is altitude, that is h1, plus half into base into altitude h2. Okay, so half into B is common, just you can take the common, remaining is h1 plus h2. So see here, B is your 24, 2 ones are 2 12s are, height h1 is 13, h2 is 8. So 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 into 12 you got as 252 meters square. I hope so you understood this fourth main question. Now comes to the exercise number 11.3, that is the last question from your exercise, and remaining examples you have to solve by yourself. So diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter, and the inner dimensions are 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So see here, once again I am reading the question. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter, and the inner dimensions are 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of the each section is same. So I will consider this as trapezium 1, trapezium 2 section, this is 3 and this is 4. The inner dimensions are 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and the outer dimensions are 24 centimeter and 28 centimeter. So first I will find the area of trapezium 1. Area of trapezium 1. So area of trapezium 1 is equals to, you are having as half into height into A plus B. So this is your area of trapezium formula. So see here, your height, so you need this width. This width you need, means you can write 24 minus 16. So 24 minus 16 is 8 centimeter, and 8 divided by 2, that is 4 centimeter. This whole width is 8 and this is 4. These are all 4 meter. Okay, 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. You are having. So this is 4 centimeter. So you can write height, you can take as 4 centimeter. So just you can substitute. That is A. A is your 20 and B is your 28. So that is half into height. Height is 4 and this is 20 plus 28. 20 plus of 28. So this is again 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you are having as 2 into 20 plus 28, you are having as 48, and that is 2 into 48. If you calculate, you will get as 96 centimeter square. So again, if you go for area of trapezium 2, area of trapezium 2 is also same. That is area of trapezium 2 also you can write. Again same values you need to put. That is area of trapezium 2 is equals to, you can write same, that is 96 centimeter square. So now you need to find the area of trapezium 3. So area of trapezium 3 is equals to area of trapezium 3. So area of trapezium 3 is equals to again half into 4 is common. That is area of trapezium 3, that is you are having 24 plus of 16. So 24, 16 plus of 24. So you can write again 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into, so 24 plus, that is 16. You are having as 24 plus 34, that is 40. 40. So 2 into 40 you are having as 80 centimeter square. Similarly, area of trapezium 4 also you can write. Similarly, area of trapezium 4 also you can write as, that is 80 meter square, 80 centimeter square. Okay, so see here, this is area of trapezium 1, area of trapezium 2. If I calculate any one of these, you can get the area of trapezium 2 also same value. If I calculate area of trapezium 3, I am getting the area of trapezium 4 also same value. So see here, area of trapezium 1 you are having as formula half into height into a plus b. So half into height is your 4, a is 20 and b is 28. So again 2 ones are 2 twos are. So again 20 plus 28 you are having as 48. 48 into 2 is 96 centimeter square. Similarly, area of trapezium 3 half into 4 into 16 plus 24 you are having as 40. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 40 twos are 80. So 80 centimeter square. So area of each section of the trapezium you are having as 96 centimeter and 80 centimeter square. Okay, I hope so you understood this 11th main concept.